Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host, Pinky. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and follow me on social media. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Shout out to Africa's Best for sending me their coconut cream collection. My hair could really use it. Beginning with the moisturizing shampoo that is sulfate free. It came out super creamy and it made a nice lather as I began to work it into my hair. It did feel like it was not stripping my hair at all. It did have a moisturizing feel, as much as a shampoo could have. And it just cleaned my hair the way I needed it to be cleaned. It was a pretty good shampoo. And this is me rinsing it out. Next, I used the Restorative Conditioner. And as you can see, it's pretty thick as well. I applied a nice amount to my hair to condition it. And my curls were very popping as I applied this to my hair. And it had a very moisturizing effect for my hair as well. Now, I did this off camera, but I also used it as a deep conditioner and I sat under the dryer, and that was the result. Okay, now that I'm done washing my hair, I'm going to show you the cute style I have in my thumbnail. So first I parted the front half of my hair into two sections. I didn't really have too much of a rhyme or reason. I just knew I wanted the front half of my hair parted, and I did more of like a side part for one instead of parting it in the middle. Next, I spritzed my hair with water just to make sure it was a little damp, and then I took the leave-in conditioner, which has a nice little creamy texture to it as well. And I took a nice amount and applied it to that section of hair, and it left my curls popping and feeling soft as well. So for this section, I'm doing a flat twist, and I'm gonna be honest, y'all, I really don't even know how to even explain it, so bear with me here. But I'm just basically taking a piece of hair, pulling it over, and as I pull that over, I'm gonna pick up another piece of hair along with the hair. Y'all, I can't explain it. I really did try. Hopefully you can just tell by what I'm doing. It's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. I feel like it's more easy than doing cornrows, but your hands just have to get used to it, and once they do, it'll be pretty easy. And I'm just going to keep twisting all the way down. And I'm going to do the same thing basically for the other side. And this is how it should look afterwards, just like two flat twists. And after adding some of the leave-in conditioner to my hair, I'm going to basically just do individual twists in the back. And this is how it looks. Very moisturized and luscious, I must say. So after it dried the next day, I'm taking them down, and my hair just really took to this collection. My hair loves thick and creamy products, as you can see. Like, it not only did it have a certain shine, but it felt soft and it smelled really good. So I took everything down, and I'm using an Afro pick to fluff out the back. Next, I'm going to take each individual flat twist, and I'm basically just trying to style and see how I want them to look with this style. I'm going to take some bobby pins and basically pin each individual one in place. And then I'm going to take some bobby pins and just pin my hair down so it doesn't look too puffy in that area. Next, I'm taking my fingers and just fluffing everything out. Before we get to the finished results, I'm going to use the Coconut Shine Dry Oil to just give my hair a little bit of shine on top of this. And that is the finished results. I love the way my hair looks, not only with this hairstyle, but just after using Africa's Best products. They really made my hair feel light, soft, and full. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a like. Don't forget to check out Africa's best products, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.